Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. We are going to be making the Mango Madness lip balm, and I'll be adding more lip balm recipes to my channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to give you the full details on how to make this in just a second. First ingredient we're adding, and probably the most obvious, is the mango butter. It is a rich moisturizer. It has a very thick texture, so it doesn't soak up into your lips right away. And then the next thing we're going to add is shea butter. Next, we want to measure out the beeswax, and this will help keep your lip balm nice and hard, and you can use either white or yellow beeswax for the lip balm. Once you have the hard butters and the beeswax measured out, you can go ahead and start letting those melt down in a double boiler, and it'll just take a few minutes. While those are melting down, I want to go ahead and measure out my other liquid oils. I'm going to be using castor oil. Castor oil is a nice thick oil. It's good for chapped lips and helping them heal, so this is a great item to add into any of your lip products. The last oil that I'm adding in is the grapeseed oil. I did a cold infusion with rose petals, so this has loaded with vitamin E, and that is wonderful for your lips or your skin, so I like adding it to my products. You do not have to do a rose infused oil though, it's optional. I just wanted to check on my oils. It looks like they're melting down very nicely. I will be adding my liquid oils to this as soon as everything is fully melted down and cooled a little bit, and then I'll be adding the flavor oil as well. I'm using the Mango Madness flavor oil from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's already sweetened. I really do like this lip balm flavoring. This is different than like flavor oils you use to bake with. It's actual lip safe products. So when you do lip products like this, make sure that you're getting the right thing. And you want to just add about 10 to 15 milliliters. It's all on personal preference. So just go ahead and add it once everything has been melted down and the oil started to cool a little bit. The very last ingredient I'm adding is a shimmer mica. I got this from Nurture Supplies. You can use any shimmer mica. This will actually just give a light shimmer to your lips. It's not going to be like a lip stain, so it's not as potent. And you can just use as much as you like to kind of get the desired color. I just thought this shimmer would make it look nice in the tubes, and like I said, just give your lips a little bit extra shimmer. Once everything is fully incorporated, you can start pouring them into your tubes. I'm using the oval tubes, mostly just because I thought they were a nice shape for a lip shimmer. You can use round tubes as well. And this recipe gave me about 22 of these lip tubes. Once everything is poured into the tubes, I do like to pop it into the freezer really quick, or the fridge, just so it cools down quickly. The reason I do that is because this recipe has shea butter, and shea butter tends to get a little bit grainy if it doesn't cool really quick after it's been heated up. after these have been in the fridge for about 3 hours, I went ahead and take them out, and then you can easily clean them up with a napkin and just wipe off any of the wax that's spilled out of the lip balm tubes itself. So if you like this video or you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you have questions, and thank you guys for watching.